Your return is much appreciated by the CoinSeries channel. Hey there, I just wanted to give you a little rundown of what I'm talking about in this video, before we go headfirst into our 100% takeover. Please share this video, let me know in the comments if you're interested in XRP or any other fantastic digital asset, and like the video if you agree. It's my only request. Now, I'd like to swiftly go over our short-term pricing strategy. XRP is trading at 56 cents right now, which is pretty flat. Stellar is also trading very flat, but it's up about 2% today, just under 12. Today, Hatera's rapid increase of approximately 25% caused Hatera even greater concern. In my opinion, 11 cents is still a decent bargain, but 25% is just excessive. Old saying goes something like, be greedy when other people are fearful, and fearful when other people are greedy. Our true greed is revealed when we take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. I agree that mid-September was the sweet spot for sales. But before you throw 56 cents about, I hope you hear what the XRP crew has to say, compared to the new monetary system that will assist in solving problems worth trillions of dollars, reinvesting trillions of dollars through tokenization, facilitating cross-border payments, and connecting nations around the globe. This $31 billion market size is insignificant. There is no relevance to this. I am holding off on buying anything till the market settles down before the Bitcoin halving because of this. While a big black swan event is not something I am expecting to happen in the market, anything may happen. One thing I can tell with confidence is that a couple of months after the Bitcoin halving, chaos will ensue. Justin UK just announced new crypto and stable legislation within the next 6 months. Thus I feel compelled to go in now. Listen, I've already preached the gospel on many occasions about how regulatory uncertainty is a big, if not the main, reason for the market's recent fall, so I won't stress this point too much. Bull runs are caused by regulations. The upturn occurred because we are now looking at regulations as a way to promote the market. Plus, the United Kingdom has consistently ranked high among nations that welcome cryptocurrency. Comments like this suggest that new regulations regarding stable currencies and cryptocurrencies will be released within the next 6 months, fingers crossed that they don't mess things up too badly. It will be a huge indicator that the US markets are about to crash when it occurs. This market isn't run by the SEC, dude. It gives me great pleasure to declare as an American citizen that the SEC and Gary Gensler are powerless to stop companies acting beyond their jurisdiction from undermining the American economy. But when other nations like Japan, Singapore, and the UK succeed, it will eventually boost the entire business. Regardless of what happens in the USA. To put it bluntly, we are a major part of that. Regardless, this company is going to blow up in the future. Then tell me, Linda P. Jones, please. Even though she's a specialist on Wall Street, she just made some extremely daring statements about XRP. Some countries were against the idea of a new global reserve currency because they thought it would give one country too much power, she said. The notion that XRP's price will ever increase has been debunked by David Schwartz. However, she asserted that they would ultimately agree on a society devoid of trust, wherein no nation would wield any influence. Speaking of XRP holders, he continued by saying that it wouldn't be a big deal if a handful of people become rich. It is comforting to learn that Wall Street specialists have reiterated the previous statements and have refused to allow FUD affect us. I believe we can all remember him saying that. You already have an answer from Schwartz if you were asking whether two global reserve currencies could coexist. Furthermore, he has stressed again how wary many countries are of being too dependent on the US currency. This is something we see every day with BRICS, isn't it? Nearly every day. You can see them in public. The implication is clear. We have no interest in or plans to utilize US dollars going forward. In a scenario like this, many countries are open to exploring alternative solutions, says Schwartz. Further, we have confirmation that Ripple has had conversations with at least several of these countries, including the BRICS. He built on this idea to show how the government has ignored the limitations of having the US dollar as its only reserve currency. Along with that, He has made it clear that developing nations should think about a new worldwide reserve currency instead of accepting a currency that a political rival is devaluing every day. This would allow them to back trustless systems. Would a 500% increase in the price of XRP constitute his biggest crypto rally of 2024? It keeps being said, and I really buy into it. What about the price? What is the price? I don't care. Start the butterflies. Does it matter that some people dislike? People can sell their XRP if they choose to leave the organization. Wait a while. Will you please maintain your focus on your goals, dreams, and the place you aspire to be? You will not succeed in this market by merely following the flutters. When was the last time a Bitcoin was worth $1? The downpour was real. The price tag of $100 is hard to forget. Had it inundated the entire area? There is still a flood of people buying Bitcoin. Additionally, my outlook on XRP is far more positive. Got it. My money is on XRP and XLM, albeit this has happened with all of Ethereum's cryptocurrencies. Everyone else has dealt with, and will deal with again, the ever-changing market and the erratic actions and words of individuals. For example, XRP's price has gone from 56 cents to $345, $20, $50, and $100 all in the span of a few months. Well, they'll think we're brilliant, so they'll beg to come inside with us. This is something I've been saying for a while now. Listen up, guys, I'm talking about XRP and XLM here when these things truly start to fly. With Hatter's official launch taking place in the years to come. They could be on the train, completely silent, maybe you'll hear crickets, or maybe neither of those things. According to individuals such as Rosie Rios, the train has already left. Only one day remains till validators decide whether or not to upgrade Protocol 20. The advent of smart contracts with brilliant mainnet Protocol 20 marked the beginning of a new age. Be ready for anything. I am going to be ecstatic for these guys in the next day or two. Starlight finally got what they wanted after all this time. To top it all off, it has been planned for quite some time. Final thought, the ecosystem will feel the full force of Protocol 20's implementation. The Bitcoin community will also reap the benefits, which is something that many people forget. The entire cosmos benefits when stars shine. Success for Ripple improves the whole area. This whole tribalism, with its emphasis on your coin is better than mine, is something I can get behind, and I hope the Bitcoin market does well. Why? I mean, seriously, we're all here for the same reason. Quick, cheap, and efficient payments will be the standard if this sector booms and XRP and other cryptocurrencies reach their full potential as a result of institutional investors' holdings. It is commonly known that Ripple has the most partnerships with banks and financial institutions around the world. The importance of this cannot be overstated when discussing the financial system. Undoubtedly, a complete takeover will occur. My remarks for the time being are at an end. Your like and subscription would be greatly appreciated. As for now, farewell.